Back home now, national polo player Luke Clark believes that there is enough talent at the youth level to return Jamaica to the stage where the country has some of the best amateur players in the world. Denise Walters tells us more.
21-year-old Luke Clark told TVJ Sports that despite the decline in recent years in polo, he's optimistic the young players coming up will turn around the fortunes of the sport locally.
At one point in Jamaica, we used to have some of the best amateur polo in the world. So right now there is a decline in this level of the game. However, thankfully there's a new set of young players coming up, and I'm looking forward to the future of polo in Jamaica.
He adds that the recently held Polo Meet equestrian camp that was staged at the Kingston Polo Club and Equestrian Centre at Caymanas in St. Catherine was a good initiative to identify talent.
It's all about love, it's all about love for the horses and being good with the horses, and every one of these kids loves the horses and the life of being around horses every day. It's a lifestyle rather than just a hobby.
Clark says unfortunately, the COVID-19 pandemic has affected the sport greatly, especially given that players can't travel to compete.
A polo handicap is a passport to the world. So playing polo is a lot about traveling and meeting people and going different places in the world to travel. And obviously that's been restricted with the COVID-19. And as soon as the COVID-19 came out in the middle of the season, we had to cancel the whole season, didn't play tournaments. But now, with the social distance regulations and because we're out here on a farm, we found a safe way to do it.
Clark has represented Jamaica across the Caribbean and in South America, specifically Argentina. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.